Zatraska. Поносия. Zatraska.
Stick in hand. I'd wave back, but I don't speak idiot in sign language. Feel the wrath of a bored visitor, punk.
Delivery via Express Hurl.
Munch time. Fancy footwork you can't replicate.
Eat up. Lick the boot, jungle reject, shine it good.
Snack time.
Too slow, monkey. These bars aren't made for you. Come on, stretch those arms. Try to touch me. Heads up, knuckle dragger. This one's lethal.
I wonder if I can get in. Oh!
Ooh, he's down. Help!
Why?
Ooh.
Got us. Escape route? Any route.
That is too much for me.
That's not banana flavoured, buddy.
Careful. Staring too long lowers your IQ to enclosure levels.
Was it on purpose? Somebody's been watching the cool teens by the parking lot.
Well, hello. Eat gravity cage crawler. Hi, dummy. I came for smarts.
Ah! Oh!
That must hurt.
Medic, we've got a human pancake.
Keep that thing away from me.
Signed up for thrills, got stills. Come on, buddy, liven it up. Wave harder, dummy. Maybe it'll shake a thought loose. Step 1, locate monkey. Step 2, avoid eye contact with any thrown objects.
Someone's picked up a terrible habit from the visitors.
Eat this, you flea-ridden runt.
Intentional or a fluke?
Flamingo walk.
Sir, there's a monkey eating my lunch.
Don't you wish you had sneakers, fuzzball? Lick my boot, animal. Watch these boots. Try to keep up if you can.
Is it any good?
Upwards posture rules. Heh, I have boots and you don't.
Yum, chow down. Ah, a trusty stick. Nature's simplest tool for mischief.
Negative contact! Disengage!
Morning air still fresh. Back the way we came, go! And this chaos. Consider this a tactical yeet. Move it. Every step is a tiny negotiation.
Shot. 1 sec.
Catch. Psych.
Noise. Music.
Dodging practice.
Counting dogs. Not problems.
Side streets look tempting.
Add it to the list.
Heads up. Return to sender.
Calling it! This pigeon's a magician!
That'll do.
Look busy, but I'm not. Calm spreads from the soles up.
Together we can end uncivil
Stay on it. Now.
Make it real.
somewhere else.
Compliance requested. 30 seconds remain. Relocate to the main square immediately. Dramatic size allowed.
Stride set to cruise. Pace up.
Light on the stairwells and
Mute the bird. Stand strong.
Hi, feathered fella.
Big energy. Delete the menace. Chef's kiss.
That's one.
Reach. Do your thing. Don't stop.
Sidewalk mosaics for the
Watch
win.
her. Step synced to imaginary theme music.
Make it happen.
If I look to term after it's light hits different. Sneaker sounding confident. Outpacing my responsibilities by 2 blocks. Pause. Did you just say fired or hired?
Let's go. Eat it up.
Call me later.
Sky. Lock it in.
One more block and I'll have earned the patient. One more.
Sidewalk cafe smells.
Shoots good.
Stand on business. Stand strong. Let's eat. Turn it to quiet.
Red means mini break.
Keep going. Please, no crumbs. Time, make it touch grass. Hit him. Ratio that pigeon. Please, serve justice. Put it up. All in. Read 'em. Make it protect us. Please, no crumbs. Don't worry. Your turn. Notes. Lock it in.
Good enough.
Right here. Stand on business. Clear her. Ready. We believe. Let's bring it on.
Target tucked away. Move on.
It's like I have plot armor.
First, then send it.
Area quiet. Return to route.
Power stance with low battery.
Enforcement light. In 30 seconds, the speech begins. All citizens to the square. Shoelaces cooperating.
I'm excited to experience what everyone's been talking about. I understand. I'll come back when I'm on the list.
Hey, Dum-Dum, my dad owns the building. You better let me in. You're gonna pay for that, I promise. You're a little too handsy for my taste, idiot. If it's itchy, I'm blaming you, idiot. Hey, I don't recall asking for a wardrobe change, genius. You better appreciate that, idiot. He totally scammed you. You're a little too handsy for my taste, idiot. Hey, I don't recall asking for a wardrobe change, genius. Wow, scrounging for pennies, are we? Taking my stuff without asking, genius move. That's it. Do that again. This is out. Try not to break it, idiot. You think this is funny? You'll pay for that. Big mistake on your part, I assure you. That's it, I'm done. You'll hear about this. That's...
Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. Here you go. I hope it helps you. You are a natural businessman. Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. Oh, come on. I'm fine with it if it helps you out somehow. No worries, I didn't really need that right now. I'll wear it proudly. You've got good taste. That's a nice touch. I appreciate the style. Feels good. You have a knack for this. I'll wear it proudly. You've got good taste. You must have a good reason for this. I trust you. Feels good. You have a knack for this. Thanks. I'm curious why you chose this for me. Oh, yeah, I guess I am getting... I don't like this vibe. Do that again, I dare you. I guess you finally got the memo. That's it. I'm done. You'll hear about this.
I've heard your events are legendary, and I'd love to be part of it tonight. Here you go, I hope it helps you. Cash money. Guess I was overdressed. Thanks for helping me cool off. I'm fine with it if it helps you out somehow. You are a natural businessman. It's a bit unexpected, but I'll roll with it. You must have a good reason for this, I trust you. Huh, this is interesting. Thanks for the accessory. Here you go, I hope it helps you. Thanks, I'm curious why you chose this for me. A bold move, but I won't complain if it's for a purpose. Feel free, it's not a big deal. Cash money. Here you go, I hope it helps you. Let me know when you find the ones that fit your style. Good taste. I'm fine with it if it helps you out somehow. You are a natural businessman. It's a bit unexpected, but I'll roll with it. Feels good. You have a knack for this. Shoes can say a lot about a person. Choose wisely. Huh, this is interesting. Thanks for the accessory. Good taste. Nice! That's amazing. I'm so excited to join the party. That stings.
I've heard your events are legendary. I'll respect the rules and step away without fuss.
It's my first time here, and I'd love the chance to discover what makes it special. Feel free, it's not a big deal. You are a natural businessman. I'm happy to share. It's all yours. Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. Jackets can really pull an outfit together. Good luck. Looking for something specific? Cool. I'm always up for trying something new. Comfortable fit or stylish cut? Hope you find both. Nice find. Looks like you made a smart choice. I am not sure how that can be helpful. Nice! You won't regret it. I promise to be on my best behavior. That hurts.
I heard this is the place to be. Could I earn that green stamp from you? Feel free, it's not a big deal. Hope it's exactly what you were looking for! I'm fine with it if it helps you out somehow. Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. No worries, I didn't really need that right now. It's a bit unexpected, but I'll roll with it. Guess I was overdressed. Thanks for helping me cool off. You are a natural businessman. Anything for you? I'm glad I could assist. No problem, I wasn't using it anyway. Why? You wanna... That is not useful. Took you long enough to notice that, genius. I can't believe I'm wasting time here with you. You think this is funny? You'll pay for that. You're dressing me up now. Next time, learn some manners before you That's a stunt you'll regret pulling, dummy. That's how you handle I'm gonna mess you up, bro. Try not to break it, idiot. Unbelievable. I'm not deep. I can't believe they let amateurs like you make decisions. That's how you handle respected guests. Ridiculous.
I'm eager to see what has everyone smiling so much inside. Thanks for being honest. I'll step away quietly. Ouch!
You better appreciate that, idiot. You've just made the worst. If it's itchy, I'm blaming you, idiot. Was that your brother? Pop, that's nasty. Found your intellectual equal? Was that your brother? He totally scammed you. Yeah, sure, help yourself, dummy. You better appreciate that, idiot. Yeah, sure, help yourself, dummy. Wow, scrounging for pennies, are we? Hey, I don't recall asking for a wardrobe change, genius. He totally scammed you. Wow, scrounging for pennies, are we? He totally scammed you. Next time, get permission before stripping me down, dummy. He totally scammed you. Hurry it up. I'm not here to watch you window shop forever. Sure, give your money to someone else. Real smart move. Hope you know I'm not your mannequin, genius. If it's itchy, I'm blaming you, idiot. Yeah, flip through pages while I just stand here. Brilliant. Hope you know I'm not your mannequin, genius. X-Ray, planning to snoop around, genius? That is not useful, idiot. You dimwit, what is wrong with you? Next time, learn some manners before you... Ow! You want a piece of me? Come at me, bro. You must be joking. You have no idea what you're missing.
I can already feel the good energy from here. I'd love to step in. Hope it's exactly what you were looking for. Neat tool! Just don't scan anything you'll regret seeing. Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. I'll wear it proudly. You've got good taste. Here you go. I hope it helps you. Cash money. I'm fine with it if it helps you out somehow. Hope you got good price for it. Penny saved, penny earned. Hope you got good price for it. Cash money. It's a bit unexpected, but I'll roll with it. Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. It's the perfect season for a nice jacket. Good taste! Cool. I'm always up for trying something new. I'll wear it proudly. You've got good taste. Feels good you have a knack for this. Let me know when you find the ones that fit your style. That's a nice touch. I appreciate the style. Huh, this is interesting. Thanks for the accessory. No rush, finding the right item can take time. Found anything fun? Let me know if you need an opinion. I'm here to help. That was painful! Nice find! Looks like you made a smart choice. Looks like you've got a good eye for quality. Oh yeah, I guess I am getting in. That was surprisingly painful. Why? Why did you do that? You're a real one. I appreciate the warm welcome. Oh, come on!
The crowd here looks so cheerful. I'd love to join in on the fun. I understand. I'll come back when I'm on the list. That was painful.
I'm eager to see what has everyone smiling so much inside. Here you go. I hope it helps you. It's a bit unexpected, but I'll roll with it. Hope you got good price for it. Cash money. Penny saved, penny earned. Hope you got good price for it. Guess I was overdressed. Thanks for helping me cool off. Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. Feel free, it's not a big deal. Penny saved, penny earned. Cash money. Guess I was overdressed. Thanks for helping me cool off. A good pair of pants can make your whole day better. Good taste. Ouch! Cool, I'm always up for trying something new. This place has a great selection. Enjoy shopping. Thanks. I'm curious why you chose this for me. Jackets can really pull an outfit together. Good luck. Hope it's exactly what you were looking for. Huh, this is interesting. Thanks for the accessory. Shoes can say a lot about a person. Choose wisely. Good taste. That was not necessary. Cool. I'm always up for trying something new. I'm gonna mess you up, bro. If it's itchy, I'm blaming you, idiot.
You dimwit, what is wrong with you?
Sure, give your money to someone else. Real smart move. Did you just do that? You're out of your mind. This will not end well for you, trust me. Next time, learn some manners before you... I'd say I'm surprised, but this place clearly lacks standards. You're dressing me up. So this is how you treat VIPs, pathetic. Hope you know I'm not your mannequin, genius. Next time, learn some manners before you... This is outrageous. I'm Do that again, I dare you. Hope you know what you're doing, dummy. Touch me again and I'll have your job. This place clearly doesn't value class. I'm out.
My friends told me the green stamp is a badge of honor. I'd be thrilled to get it. Good taste. Penny saved, penny earned. Looks like you've got a good eye for quality. That was surprisingly nice. Splish splash. Oh, it is cold. That was surprisingly nice. Oh, it is cold. That's refreshing. I am soaked, but it is also kind of refreshing. A bold move, but I won't complain if it's for a purpose. I'm fine with it if it helps you out somehow. Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. Here you go, I hope it helps you. I'm happy to share, it's all yours. Jackets can really pull an outfit together. Good luck. Thanks. I'm curious why you chose this for me. That's a nice touch. I appreciate the style. I bet I'll look fantastic in whatever you choose. I'll wear it proudly. You've got good taste. Finding the perfect pair? I'm sure you'll pick something classy. Thanks. I'm curious why you chose this for me. That's a nice touch. I appreciate the style. Nice find. Looks like you made a smart choice. Am I getting in? Cool gadget. Hope it helps you out. Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. Neat tool. Just don't scan anything you'll regret seeing. Here you go. I hope it helps you. Nice! Your approval means a lot. I'll have a blast in there. That hurts.
This is where the buzz is, and I'd be grateful for a chance to experience it. I get it. You have your reasons. No hard feelings. Hope you got good price for it.
Standing there acting all tough won't impress me. Just give me what I'm owed. Don't point that at me, dummy. Touch me again and I'll have your job, you moron. He totally scammed you. You're a little too handsy for my taste, idiot. So do that again, I dare you. This will not end well for you, trust me. You think this is funny? You'll pay for that. He totally scammed you. This will not end well for you. How dare you? Do you know who I am? You better appreciate that, idiot. Taking my stuff without asking, genius move. You better appreciate that, idiot. Wow, scrounging for pennies, are we? You're a little too handsy for my taste, idiot. Hey, I don't recall asking for a wardrobe change, genius. Hope you know what you're doing, I've never seen such incompetence at a door. That's it, I'm done. You'll hear...
Here you go. I hope it helps you. Anything for you. I'm glad I could assist. Guess I was overdressed. Thanks for helping me cool off. That's some high-tech gear. Curious what you'll find. Neat tool. Just don't scan anything you'll regret seeing. Here you go. I hope it helps you. Feel free. It's not a big deal. You must have a good reason for this. I trust you. You're a natural businessman. Hope you got good price for it. You're a natural businessman. Penny saved, penny earned. I'm fine with it, if it helps you out somehow. A good pair of pants can make your whole day better. Looking... Huh. This is interesting. Thanks for the accessory. Feels good. You have a knack for this. Huh. This is interesting. Thanks for the accessory. Feels good. You have a knack for this. You won't regret it. I promise to be on my best behavior.